video, we will learn how to wear surgical gown and gloves. Before enter the operation room, put on mask and scarf your hands. Check the date of the surgical kit and wait. Then open in a aseptic way. Now grab the gown from the kit and stand 2 steps back. Hold the shoulder area and shake it. Ask your partner to help you to put on and tie the collar and back. At the same time, you can go for wear the gloves. You can check it more closely. First, arrange your gloves reversely. Then cross your hand to take one glove and then wear in the following way. And same action to other hand. After wear gloves, untie the waist knot and take one lace in your hand, then twist a little. Ask partner to hand over the lace in your other hand after rub from your back side. Now make a simple knot and put in the pocket.